Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this 2 by 2 gear cube. This is very interesting cube. It is unlike other cube. It You can see how it moves without even scrambling it. So it is something different because you can bring it both the side out, and then you can move them like this. So, and then you can close it. Similarly, you can bring this from here also up, and you can move them, and you can close it. So this is very interesting cube. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is we need to see all four corners should have one common color. So here it is white. Let's see, white is not here, not even here, and not here. Now let's see, this red is here. Red is in this corner also, and this corner also, and this corner. So red is common on this side. So what we'll do is we have to match red on all four corners. So split this like this, and now slowly we need to look at these two corners. It should match with the red color. Not again. So let's try again. Okay, so now we can see this both the corners are matching. Okay, similarly hold it like this, and we need to fix these two corners also the same way. So rotate it till we get both the corners with red color. So this is fixed. Now this is one side we are done. Now bring this side or keep this side on left hand side, which is solved one, and split from this side. And now we have to match this green color with these two corners. So this is fixed. And again, so now we are left with two corners on. So now we'll start with this small corner, and there are two different formula to solve these two corners. So we'll start with smaller one, and we need to see this cogs, or we can say teeth of this gear. So if you look at this corner or gear, it should have one. We have to move this corner one anti-clockwise once, one cog or one tooth on this side anti-clockwise, and it will be solved. So what we'll have to do is, this is our front side, this is our right side, and this is our top side. So this is on our front side or upside, we can say. So this is our front side and split up, and now we have to look at this corner or this gear. We have to move it once anti-clockwise. So we have to move this corner once anti-clockwise, right? So we should focus on this corner while rotating this. So here it should be, we have to move this once anti-clockwise like this. Okay, so this is once we, now you can close it. Now we have to split from right hand side like this. Again we have to move this and we have to focus on this, and we have to move this once anti-clockwise. So now you can see it is fixed, and close it. Now we have to open on this side, I mean back side, like this, and we have to rotate this once, so anti-clockwise. Okay, and close it. So now we can see our this corner is solved. Now we have to fix the last corner. The strategy or the formula is the same, but here there is one difference. The cogs, or we can say the teeth, uh, here if you can see, this is yellow side and we have to fix this. To fix the yellow side over here, we need to move this anti-clockwise, and how many times? This is 1 2 3 and 4, so we have to move this 4 times. So 1 2 3 and 4, so that we can fix it. So we have to divide this 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 means 2. So we have to move this anti-clockwise twice, 2 times, and we have to focus on this. So this corner should rotate 2 times anti-clockwise. So this is, we have to move it anti-clockwise. So here also we need to see that it should move 2 times anti-clockwise, and we have to start with front. So again we'll split it like this, and we need to focus on this, and we have to rotate this so that this corner or gear should turn twice, 2 times, and yellow should be here after 2 times. So 1 and 2. Now close it. Now we have to split from right hand side like this. Again we have to rotate this 2 times, and we need to focus on this and anti-clockwise. So this yellow we need to remember. 1 2. Now we can close it. Okay, now we have to split from back. It's not properly opened. Okay, so now we have to move this again 2 times anti-clockwise. So I think it is not opened properly. Now it is open properly. Okay, so now we have to move this 2 times anti-clockwise. So once and 2 times and close it. So now we can see our cube is solved. So okay, so I'll show you one more case of last corner, wherein you will find only two cogs or two teeth which need to uh, rotate, and it will be solved. So in this case you have to rotate 1 and 2 only, so that it can fix, and this is clockwise. So in previous case we had four teeth we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so we divided into by 2, so 4 divided by 2. In this case we have to divide 2 divided by 2, so 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So we need to rotate this corner once, focusing on this corner, so and that is also clockwise. So let us start with this. So first we need to bring this up, and we have to focus on this while rotating, and we have to ensure that this should rotate once clockwise. Okay, so this is rotated once. Now close it. Now we have to bring this from right hand side, and again we have to rotate once clockwise. So again, and close it. And now back side or top side, and again we have to rotate now this once clockwise and close it. For last corner we need to remember two formulas. If it is 4 cogs or 4 teeth which we need to rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise, first we need to divide by 2, whether it is 4 cogs or 2 cogs. We have two possibilities only, either it should be 4 cogs away or 2 cogs away. So in both the cases we need to divide them by 2. So if it is 4 cogs, we need to rotate the corner 2 times, anti-clockwise or clockwise, that we need to see. Second case, if it is 2 cogs away, so we need to divide by 2, and therefore we need to rotate the corner only once, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me.